is everyone doing? I hope all of you are doing awesome. I can read all your chats right here. Hello, hello. I can, okay, that's a lot of people in the class. That's amazing. So, welcome to the session, guys. I hope all of you had a blast of a day today. Here we are with yet another session, and today is my first very session on YouTube. So, thanks to all of you who came, and welcome to this channel. If you have already been here before, so you know how amazing this entire channel is going to be. And if you're very new to the class, so very new to this entire channel, do not forget to show some love. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, right? So here we are. Today we're going to do a very amazing session. It's going to be a very basic session, very light session because it's the first very session that we have. So I'm going to move forward with a quick introduction about myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. And in 4 years of my teaching experience, I have mentored and tutored thousands of beautiful students like you and also helped a lot of them score 100 upon 100 in their maths exam. I have done my master's in mathematics. So you know the love I have towards this subject. And I want to imbibe the same kind of love in every student who is watching this session right now. As I believe in this quote very strongly, maths is the exploration of those spaces that our minds have never been to before. And those spaces are really beautiful. So I'll make sure that you get a different idea, a different perspective towards mathematics after the session and during this entire academic year. So do not forget to show us love by sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. The more you bring viewers, the more good content we're going to get, and it's going to be really amazing. We will never disappoint you at all, right? So starting off with today's session is going to be super duper introductory. It's going to be a bridge course where we are going to link whatever you've already studied in your grade 7 and how is that related to what we are going to do in our grade 8. Now, there are two kinds of students here. One who has done really well in your grade 7 and one who must have faced few hurdles while, finishing off the grade 7 because we know last year was tough. This year is also a bit tough. But no worries at all. We will make sure that this academic year of yours is really strong and on point. So I can see a lot of you. Let me quickly say hi to all of my amazing students here. Hi Pragya, hi Anil, hi Twilight, BTS, that was Mehak, and hi Dhruv. Hi Creative, hi Shobha. Okay, a lot of people saying hi, hi, hi. So I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And I hope you people are also staying safe and staying at home. So welcome to the session, guys. So we are going to start off the session. I hope all of you are ready with full energy. Give me a yo in the chat box right now if you're full power packed with energy. Yes, let's get started here. And okay, awesome. Hello, hello. Hi, Kavya. Hi, Mudit. I can see a lot of my students, previous year students, and all. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So much love. Now, so let's get started with what we have done in grade 7. Okay? Why? Because only then we can build that bridge between grade 7 and grade 8 and know what exactly do we learn, what exactly we have already learned, and why should we remember that and how important it is, right? So basically, everything that we learn is super duper important. But what are those things that you will carry from your grade 7 to your grade 8? So the first thing we have learned in our grade 6th and 7th is about what are integers, what are whole numbers, and what are counting numbers or natural numbers, right? So basically, this entire family of numbers. So first head of the family is the real numbers, under which you'll have your rational numbers and irrational. Irrational is something that we will touch in our grade 9th and 10th, not now. For grade 8, you should be knowing about what are rational numbers. Chota, little, very little about rational numbers is what we have studied in our grade 7th also. Then we have also studied about integers, whole numbers and natural numbers, right? So I've read somebody saying, ma'am, you're ignoring, but I'm not ignoring anyone here. I'm going to read each and everyone's comment and whatever you have said after the session also. But during the session, I want to concentrate on what is the session of right now. But I promise you, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to convey, wishes or anything that you want to say, do not forget to put it in the comment section. I will definitely come back to this comment section after my, session ends and personally reply you back. Okay. So thank you so much for everyone who's saying welcome. So yes, we do have Menti. Somebody asked, ma'am, do we have Menti? Definitely we have Menti. So let's do a quick basic recap of our grade 7 and then finally run towards our Menti. Okay. Now, so first thing, what are integers? Integers was a collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. Correct? And remember, zero is neither positive nor negative. And then we have learned about a lot of properties of addition and subtraction of integers, right? So closure property, commutative property, associative, identity, and distributive property. Each of them have their own each of them have their own what do you call specification that you need to know about. So don't get confused with the E symbol that is right here. It just says belongs to. Okay, so this E that you're seeing here, it is a symbol to indicate it belongs to. A plus B belongs to Z. And Z in mathematics is actually a symbol to indicate your integers. Okay. So A plus B, when you add two integers, the answer should be an integer. If that is happening, closure property is allowed. Commutative properties, you can add and multiply two integers in any order you want to. The answer will not change at all. Associative property comes into picture when you have more than two integers, like 3 or 4 integers, you can add and multiply them in any manner that you want to. Identity, additive identity is 0. For subtraction, it's not applicable. Multiplication and division, we will study. And then distributive property, which says A multiplied by B plus C is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So these are everything that you almost already know of, right? So yes, inverse is also there, additive inverse. So you take a positive number, the negative of the number is the inverse, correct? And so anything else that you want to know apart from this? So this is a very basic thing that we have already learned. Properties of multiplication and division. Also same as addition and subtraction. It's just that the operation changes here. So it becomes multiplication and division. Very basic, right? Biggest integer in negative, 1 is the smallest integer in positive. Yes, exactly, Nidhi. You are totally right. Then after integers, we have learned about what were fractions. It is nothing but a part of a whole thing. So if you take a whole pizza and if you're only two people, so you'll divide it into half. So only a part of the whole pizza is what you're eating. So that is the definition of fraction, a part of a whole. So this is something we already know. So before we move further to decimals and rational numbers and comparing quantities and all of that, I have a quick riddle for all of you. So I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have nobody, but I come alive with wind. Who am I? So let me see who is the first person who's going to tell me this. Ma'am, will you come live every day? I will tell you about the schedule also. It's not every day, but then twice a week we're going to go live. Okay. ICSC also will come. Okay, somebody has already answered. Sri Devi has answered already. Sri Devi Rajmani has answered it. Okay, good job, Sri Devi. It's not seed, it's not integer. It's not sound. Okay, okay, Sri Devi has got it. Echo, exactly. It is called as echo. Okay, so something that we say and then it echoes, right? When you're in hills or something, so it comes alive only with wind. So what is that? It's an echo. So good job, Sri Devi. You're the only person I guess who have answered it right. I guess Queen Begum. No, some Begum has also answered it right. Awesome, awesome. Good job, everyone. Now, moving on to the next easiest thing, which is decimal. So what is a decimal? It is where a number is indicated with a point. 7.123 is a decimal. So what are the digits after the decimal point? They are the fractional part and this is the whole number. And that point that we see is a decimal. So what do we know? After the point, the first digit is sitting in the tens place, 1/10 of a number, right? So tens place, 9 is in the hundreds place and so on. So remember, after the decimal point, it always starts with the tens. Before the decimal point, we have the ones, right? Like fraction only. Exactly. Fractions can be converted into decimals. Decimals can back be converted into fractions. Then comes a very important topic that we are going to study in our grade 8th also. So please carefully listen, right? Multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? So you take a number 3, multiply it with the reciprocal of 3. So the answer is 1. Correct? So multiplicative inverse is nothing but a reciprocal. Lot of you gets confused saying, ma'am, multiplicative inverse is different, reciprocal is different. No, they are the same. Okay? So we know what is the ratio. When you're comparing two similar items, remember you can't compare weight with height. No. So you are comparing two items having the same unit of measurement is called as a ratio. Suppose you have bought 1 kg of apples and 700 grams of pudina. Okay, so I could only think of pudina right now. So 1 kg of apple, 700 grams of pudina. Also, you cannot compare because the unit of measurement are different. Here it is kg and here it is gram, right? So you can't compare when they have different units of measurements also. And then after ratio, we come to the sister of ratio, which is called as proportion. So when do we say two ratios are in proportion? Remember, proportion concept comes into picture only when you have two ratios, right? So 1/3 and 2/6 are two ratios which are in proportion. Why? Because when you multiply by 2 on numerator and denominator, you are getting this fraction again. So the fractions can be written as 1:3 is in proportion with 2:6. So this symbol that you're seeing here is the symbol for proportion, right? 1:3 is in proportion with 2:6. Now there's one property of proportion that we know. I want to see how many of you remember. Amrita, what is proportion? Proportion is where two ratios are equal to each other are called as proportion. So who remembers that one property that we have about proportion? Equivalent ratios, yes. Okay, okay. 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 Nobody is telling. Exactly. One of you have already told. Product of the extremes. Who is that? Devang, good job. So it says product of the extremes is equal to product of the middle term. So what do I mean by extreme? So A is to B is in proportion with C is to D. So your A and D are extremes. So the product of A and D should be equal to the product of B and C. So this is a property that all of us know. So basically what is happening? Cross multiplication is happening here, right? So this is one property that the proportion holds. This is only applicable when you know that two ratios are already in proportion with each other, right? ओके बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं मैम प्लीज स्पीकिंग हिंदी ठीक है मैं बहुत ट्राई करूंगी यहाँ पे आई एम नॉट दैट कंफर्टेबल इन टीचिंग इन हिंदी बट आई एम गोना लर्न बिकॉज यस लर्निंग इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ टीचिंग तो मैं जरूर सीखूंगी हिंदी में बात करने के लिए एंड आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी ऑल्सो आई प्रॉमिस ओके and Fayaz, I'm not ignoring you beta. Will you tell the timetable for math class? Definitely the timetable is coming up. I will tell you about the timetable also. Okay, what is the difference between fractions and rational numbers? A very good question. Fractions में क्या होगा? So you only have 3/7 and all. Rational numbers comes into picture when you have negative integers in picture. So the negative integer can be in the numerator or in the denominator. So when you have negative integers in picture, so that is not called as fraction anymore. It is called as rational numbers. Okay. You know Tamil. Tamil konjam theriyum, but not very fluent. So my mother tongue is Telugu. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is algebraic identities. So these are the four main identities that you have, which will help you solve a lot of problems easily. So I hope you people remember these identities because this will come very handy in our grade 8 factorization, which a lot of people are really scared about, but the easiest once you know the identity. And then we have our laws of exponents. What happens in the laws of exponents here? The bases are the same. The first one is where the bases are the same, but the exponents are different. So what do? We keep the base as it is. And since we are multiplying these two exponents, we only add the powers that we have, right? Remember your A and B that we are taking into consideration here, they cannot be equal to 0. If they're equal to 0, these laws will not work. So when the bases are the same and the exponents are different and you're multiplying those exponents, then keep the base as it is, add the exponents. For division, you have to subtract the exponents. And then you have a to the power x whole to the power y. That is a to the power 2 whole to the power 3. So what is happening here? You're seeing two exponents here, two powers, right? So what do? We simply have to multiply them. If your doubt is, ma'am, what happens if you have one more number here? So you just multiply by 4. So keep multiplying as the exponents keep on increasing, like a to the power x to the power y to the power z. Just multiply a, keep the base as it is, x to the power y to the power x multiplied by y multiplied by z. That's it. Very simple. And remember, anything to the power 0 is always equal to 1. But 0 to the power 0 is not equal to 1. We have another explanation altogether, which I'll make a very nice video of, and to tell you why 0 to the power 0 is not 1. Why any number divided by 0 is not defined. So what is the special powers that 0 have? So we're going to do a separate video on it, so don't worry. But for now, remember, you take any number, let it be a negative number, let it be a fraction, does not matter. If it is to the power 0, then it is always equal to 1. And then we have a negative power, which where a lot of people get confused. So a to the power minus x. So when you have a negative exponent, what is that you have to do? Whatever is the base, reciprocate the base. So here you have, let's say 10 to the power minus 5. So what is that you have to do? You have to do 1 by 10 to the power 5. So after reciprocating, the negative exponents turns positive 1, right? So any doubts that you have here, people? Okay, somebody asked, ma'am, what is the negative sign is in the denominator? So Manat is asking, ma'am, what if we have 3 by minus 7? So this is also a rational number, Manat. This is also a rational number. 3 by minus 7, minus 3 by 7 are actually the same, but this is said to be in standard form. Okay? Okay. I hope you understood here, Mannar. So yes, come on, let's do Menti. This is where everyone is really waiting for. So let's do Menti here. Okay. FICA. Okay, FICA, got it. Okay, so this is the Menti code that you have, guys. So make sure all of you are joining because I am going to quickly go to this Menti that we have. Let's get started. The code is on your screens. The code is 48594375. Look at that. I already have all of you here. Come on. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to join. Bring in everyone you want to have a Menti war with. And we are going to have a super fun session here. Chalo. Hurry up. I'm going to go small now, so that all of you can actually fit into the screen. Come on, guys. Only 92 people. Where are all of you? Are you new teacher, Sejal? Yes, I'm a new teacher on YouTube, but I was always teaching in Vedantu for past 2 years for grade 6 to 8. I'll be still taking up my long-term batches, so yeah. Chalo, jaldi aa jao Menti pe. The code is 48594375. Hurry up. Hi, Lakshman. Ella now. So, hurry up. Okay, are you all ready? Set, go. Okay, I'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's get started. Here is your first question. Fill in the blanks. -8 plus of -4. Is it greater, less than, or equal to, or none of these when compared to -8 minus of -4? Now, this is where I'm going to check how many of my students are really fast in answering. Come on, guys. Hurry up. Okay, repeat the code. The code is 48594375. That's the code. Okay, I'm hoping I'm not blocking any options. Yeah, awesome. Okay, all of you are already giving the answers in the chat box. Okay, let's see if it is right or wrong. Don't forget to open up the brackets here. Do not forget to open up the brackets. Time's up. Let us look at the people who has got it right. Oh, nice. Good job, everyone who has answered it right. You people have done a great job. Lot of you got confused and told it is equal. How? Beta, how can it be equal? Not possible, right? So, okay, good one, good one. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So let's look at the leaderboard. The leaderboard is loading here, and let's see. Okay, whom do we have? Okay, there's one person called Aditya Singhal. Remember my name. Aditya, I'll remember your name. Don't worry. So we have Karishma being the fastest. Good job, Karishma. And everyone who has got it right, you people are doing a great work. Great work. Can you explain this? I'll explain it after once the mentee is done. Okay. So basically, you need to open up your brackets and then solve it according to the rules of integers. I will explain. Do not worry, Shanta. Yes. How to join? Ranjit, you can open Menti on your phone, okay, on your mobile phone or on a separate tab. Go to menti.com and it will ask you for a code, right? So, and the code is 48594375. And hello, Point. I am not ignoring you. That's not your new this thing, correct name. But yeah, what's the code? 48594375. Let's get started with the second question. Here we go. Your second question is on your screens. Find -12 multiplied by -11 multiplied by 10. Okay, I'm going to give you a small trick for multiplication with 11 after the session. But yeah, concentrate and tell me what can be the answer. Super easy. You can just eliminate two options right away looking at the negative signs here. Hi, Narendra Kumar. Hello. Okay, okay. All of you. Okay, a lot of people are putting your answers also. That's amazing. That's amazing. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video because we are going to come up with a lot of amazing fun videos like this where we will not only do academic part, we will also guide you to make sure that your personality, the overall personality of yours is developing through this channel. Okay. And please take my name. Hi, Romashri. Time's up. Let me see how many of you. Oh, nice. Majority of you have got it right again. You people have done a great work. So let's look at the leaderboard here. And let's see who is the fastest. Who is the fastest this time? I don't see the fastest here. But oh, okay. Reshma. Okay, Resham is the fastest, guys. Please forgive me. I take time to read out names and spell out names. It's just that I don't want to spell it wrong. So good job, everyone, on the fastest fingers list. All of you have done a great job. Resham, good work. Let's move on to the third question. Let me see how many of you are all in it. Your third question. You know multiplication. That's amazing, Sai Kumar. And Vanshika. Hi, Vanshika. Okay, hello point is Vanshika. Okay, here's the third question on your screens. Repeat your code. Arya, the code is 48594375. Now, this can be a little difficult, but it's the most easiest question you can see. -6 plus 5 divided by -2 plus 1. First, solve what is given in your square brackets and then you divide the two integers that you're getting. Science classes are soon going to start, Poonam, very soon. Okay? Yes, okay. A lot of you have already got the answer. Hello, Kalyani. A lot of you already got the answer. The code is okay, 48594375. Awesome. Majority of you have got it right again. Let us look at the fastest fingers list. Let's see how many of you on the leaderboard have got it right and who is the fastest in this one. So this was a very easy peasy thing. So let's see. Resham is the fastest again. Good job, Resham. And Shashank, your math fan. High five there. And remember my name, Runal. I'll remember your name also. So when I sleep in the night, I just will get all these names on the leaderboard, I guess. Okay. The fourth question. Come on. Let's see who wins this battle. And here's your fourth question. What is the timetable of maths? I'll be telling you everything about the timetable at the end of the session. Please wait. Okay, an elevator descends into a minecraft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350? Remember, the distance minus 350 meters is including the 10 meters. So basically, let's say, I don't know where, okay. So let's take this book, okay? So this is the 10 meters. This is the ground level, and 10 meters above the ground level is there where the elevator is standing. So it needs to travel this 10 meters here till the ground level, and then it has to go to minus 350. So this 10 meters plus whatever it is going down, everything has to be minus 350. So come on, 30, you have only 10 seconds to answer. Hurry up, hurry up. Let me see. Thank you, Anshika. Will you give the PDF of this class? Definitely. For every class, is going to be a PDF, and there's going to be a Telegram group link in the description below. Do not forget to join the Telegram group link. You will be getting an update of everything. What is the schedule for the day? Where is the timetable for math, science, physics, biology, everything. Social science and English also. Okay, let us look at the leaderboard here. And who is the fastest? Ishan and Mayank. Okay, who is playing? Ishan or Mayank? So Ishan and Mayank, both of them are the fastest here. And Shashank, the math fan, is on top of the leaderboard. Good job. Anushka, I will remember your name also. Okay, so let us look at the next question, the fifth question on your screens. Come on, guys. Okay, let's see how many of you will answer this right. Where will they get the PDF? Balaji, after the session in the description below only you will be getting the PDF. Okay. What is the value of x if 3 is to x and 1 is to 4 are in proportion with each other? I'll give you a hint. Use the property of proportion here. Hurry up, hurry up. Oh my good lord. Lot of you already giving the answer. Okay. A lot of you people are wrong. Wrong कर दिया. कौन था वो? कौन था वो wrong जिसने किया? मन्नत. Why बेटा? Why? Timetable, Rajesh Kumar, subscribe to the channel. Every morning you will be getting a timetable कि उस दिन कौन से videos आने वाले हैं, कौन से subject के videos आने वाले हैं. Everything will be given. ठीक है? Awesome. Look at that. Majority of you have got it right again. You people are just brilliant. It is nothing but product of the extreme is equal to product of the middle term. So 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to x multiplied by 1. So your x is equal to 12. Let's look at the fastest one here. Awesome, awesome. Good job. This time Sanjita. Sanjita is the fastest. Good job, Sanjita. And everyone on the leaderboard, you are doing just amazing. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, your last quiz question. Are you all ready? Where's the Josh, guys? Come on. Give me a yo in the chat box to tell me that yes, you are right here, waiting for your last six session. Code is 48594375. It's displayed right on top here. Give me a yo in the chat box. Yes? Okay, blues. Okay, blue girl. And then we have a lot of you giving yo. Awesome, awesome. Good job, guys. Dhruvi. Hi, Dhruvi. I'll remember you. And yes, you're in class 7th. Okay, no problem. You can learn grade 8 via YouTube. Yeah. Thank you so much, Vaishnavi, Beta. Thank you so much. Okay, let's get started. And here is your last question. Let me see how many of you will get this right. Come on. What is the value of 23 square minus 22 square? 23 square minus 22 square. Use the identities that we have learned in our grade 7th algebraic expressions and identities. We will be using a lot of these in our grade 8th. So don't worry, even if you did not study well in your grade 7th, we are right here to make sure that your basics are all clear, and then we will start off with our grade 8th. Okay? Very difficult? Beta, not at all, Surbhi. What are you telling? It's not difficult at all. You can attend my classes so that it becomes easy for you. Okay. So, oh my God, why? What is happening? I didn't ask 23 minus 22, guys. It's 23 square minus 22 square. Majority of you have got it right. It is in the form of a square minus b square, which is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So 23 plus 22 multiplied by 23 minus 22. Let's see who is the fastest here. Oh my God, look at that. Shri Harshita was the fastest. Sai Harshita was the fastest. And Shashank, the maths fan, has won the Menti. This is how the leaderboard is going to look like. Okay, good job. High five to all the maths fans out there who has done really well. So let's go back here. Let's go back. I hope all of you had a great time. I will explain a lot of things here. A lot of you are asking, ma'am, please explain this. Okay. But before that, our next session, which is going to be on Saturday, 2 p.m. again. I want each and every one of you to be there on Saturday, 2 p.m. as well, because we're going to start off with grade 8. ठीक है? तो grade 8 शुरू करने वाले हैं हम Saturday को 2 p.m. with the numbers with the first chapter, which is rational numbers. तो उसका definition क्या होगा ये तो हमें पता ही है. Anything which is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q can be integers, is a rational number. Right? ये होगा हमारा next session. Now, lot of you asked me to explain a square minus b square. That is 23 square minus 22 square. Right? So it is a square minus b square. Formula, the identity says a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So it is 23 plus 22 multiplied by 23 minus 22. The job is made so easier. You don't have to square 23, 22 and all of that. So the answer is straight away 45, right? And thank you so much, Divyanka. Thank you so much, Sakshi Dua and Girish Dua. And okay, which time? Okay, the next session is going to be on Saturday, sharp at 2 p.m. Same time, same place. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and like the video. So if you hit the bell icon every morning, whatever sessions you have for your grade will come to you. The notification will straight away come to your phone so that you know at what time you should join the sessions. There is science, there's social science, there's everything, right? And does proportion must be equivalent? Yes, Hina, it has to be equivalent. Two ratios when they are equal only are said to be in proportion. Okay? And timetable beta आपको मिल जाएगा. The next class is here. Just subscribe to the channel. Every day you will get a new timetable because every day there's a new sessions coming up, new videos coming up from new teachers. So just subscribe, you will get it. Okay? And please take my name. Who is that? Hi Ria. Hello. Okay. So with that said, any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Hi Ram Babu, you're a new student. Okay, nice class. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. This was my first very session on YouTube, and you people showed a lot of love here. And I'm really thankful to each and every one of you for showing out so much love. You people were amazing. The session energy was amazing, and I want you people to continue with the same session energy for the rest of the academic year. And same love you need to shower on us by liking our videos, sharing our videos with everyone because tough times, everybody needs to understand this, and staying home and staying safe is very important. So share the video, share your knowledge. The more you share, the more you gain, right? And do not forget to subscribe the videos as well. So good. Okay, everyone, it was a great session. Thank you so much. We will meet again on Saturday sharp at 2 p.m. We're going to start off with our grade 8 rational numbers first very session. So see you all there on Saturday 2 p.m. sharp. Until then, you people were amazing. See you all in my next class. Until then, bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.